Yo, people, can you guys see me and hear me well? Welcome to a brand new streaming. Today is Thursday, December 4th. Welcome to the BLW Trading Show, episode number 2. And I want to welcome especially the people who are joining here for the first time. I stream every single day at noon Central Standard Time, meaning 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, 13 Eastern Standard Time. And I stream every single day with different topics. Today we're going to trade live with the ZigZag strategy, but we can join pretty much. We're going to have bunch of education, bunch of everything. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, people. We are always doing something interesting. So if you're new here, go ahead and smash the like button. Welcome to a brand new streaming. And if you are coming back, thank you for coming back and welcome back to this streaming. So how's everybody doing? Let me know where you guys are saying hi from. So I know where my audience is coming from. And just to give it a few minutes for all people who want to join, and then we can go ahead and start trading, okay? Egypt, how you doing? I'm doing awesome, thank you. How you doing? Hola. Let's see if we can get to as more likes than yesterday today. Yesterday we traded with the Kellner channel and we did good. Today we're gonna trade with the ZigZag strategy. Hopefully we can do that as well. Baltimore, Maryland, South Africa, how you doing? Saudi Arabia, I guess. Sunny Los Angeles, how you doing? Awesome. South Africa, Los Angeles, man, I miss Los Angeles. India, how you doing, my friend? We're gonna also have, as usual, a Q&A during this call, so it should be fun. Question right here says, Christian, you know how you've been trading for years and became your own boss. Did you always know from a young age you'll grow up to become your own successful boss with financial freedom? Actually, I think yes, because I hated every job that I had. The only job that I really loved, it was when I was a sales trainer, because I love sales and I love, giving speeches and so on. You can tell. And but other than that, I hated every single job. All I wanted to do was to be free. And free included not only the money, but the time. And when you have a job, you can get a lot of money if it's a good job, but you don't have enough time. And so I always knew I had to find my own way to live. So yeah. Denmark, how you doing? I'm thrilled over the Kellner channel strategy yesterday. 20 trades, only 2 losses. Awesome. That's fantastic. Thank you for sharing. From India, how you doing there? User, give me a simple strategy for 90% win rate. Where do you want it? Where you want me to give it? It's like, first of all, it's like, hi, how you doing? Good morning, your own role model, and we're expired. You are our role model, and we aspire to be like you, boss. Thank you. That's very nice of you to say. All right, I think enough people is here, so we can go ahead and start trading, right? What do you guys say? Should we start trading already? Or not? How many, you guys probably have pocket option, the majority, right? Should I trade with pocket option or should I trade with Quotex? Both are good. I can even trade on both of them. The point of these calls is that we're educated. Take a look at today's session with the BLW binary master app right here. Pretty awesome. Let's see. Come visit Los Angeles, buddy. Take you out for a good lunch and chop it out to thank you for all you taught me. I promise you that next time I'm in the US, I'm gonna let you guys know. Well, I always do, but last time I was in Wyoming, so I think that 1% of people, 0.00001% of people that actually follow me live there. The only place that I've been recognized in the street is Italy. Do you know that? It's a fun fact. Italy. I was the only place where I was recognized by a fan or follower. I'm not a singer. But yeah, I'll let you know. In your early trading days, how did you survive losses? I burned accounts. That's what I did. 4 accounts, 5 accounts actually. Um, yeah, let's start. Lisoto, how you doing? Yes, starting with pocket option. Hey, of course we can start. Best pocket option. All right, pocket. All right, we're gonna do pocket. That's for sure. Join the Signal group. What? Shakira. She's a dead shot with signals. Awesome. Thank you for the recommendation. Right there, Deviator. And thank you for joining as a BLW member. By the way, you guys can join. There's a join button below if you want to. There's nothing exclusive. Everything that I do, I give it away for free on this YouTube channel. But if any chance you want to collaborate or just get the star member thing and you just want to help me out, there's a join button below for BLW followers. It's like $1, $2. I don't even remember what the plans are. All right, let's go ahead and Kenya, how you doing? All right, let's go ahead and start with the strategy. Yesterday we traded with the Kellner strategy, and all you had to use was pretty much the stochastic, the Kellner channel. That was it. And in today's strategy, you only need this stochastic. You don't need the RSI. And you need another indicator called ZigZag. It's literally right here. So click on the ZigZag button, and this is exactly what you're gonna be looking at. Now, how does this strategy work? The ZigZag will actually determine where it's like a really high point, and it's actually gonna look for retraction. I'm actually gonna lower my trading amount to somewhere like $50 or something like that. I think it's something that has to do with YouTube. Honestly, I don't think it's something from my end. I think it's just like YouTube uses different things. I guess I'm not even sure because I don't want to continue like talking if you guys are not able to hear me and see me well. But again, I think it's something from YouTube. I'm really disappointed, honestly. I guess I could do Twitch at the same time. I was gaming today at Twitch. In case you guys don't follow me, sometimes I game and, it's good now. All right. Let's just go ahead and continue. If it lags or something, just let me know in the live chat, all right? So basically the way the strategy actually works is that it identifies like when there's like a complete overbought condition. And this is 30-second candlesticks, and it's going to be 1 minute expiration time. Okay. Now, the way it works is that whenever you see, first of all, that the stochastic is overbought, which means it's outside of the 80 level, we're going to have a good put opportunity. The opposite, of course, if it's below. The way to confirm the entry is when the candlestick touches or is touching the zigzag line. As you can see right here, it's actually touching it. Now the zigzag continues to move based on the candlestick. So if the candlesticks continues to go up, the zigzag is going to continue to go up. Obviously, we're going to have losing trades. So these are going to be the losing trades. But we reduce those possibilities of a losing trade by looking at the stochastic oscillator. So basically, the stochastic oscillator has a play on pretty much every strategy that I have. So what could happen right here is that it can continue going up and we lose the trade. But the point of the stochastic is that the blue line, as usual, has to be in a position where it can start going on the direction that we want. In this scenario right here, as you can see, what I'm looking at is that the stochastic is, the blue line is above. So therefore, it means that it could start dropping, like it's potentially going to start dropping. So that's when I enter the trade. I don't wait for the candle to close. I don't wait for a new candle. What I do is I look at the touch of the zigzag, and there I enter for a put position. I've entered 2 positions right now. So far, both of them are winners. Is that making sense to y'all? You know, it's a pretty simple strategy, right? Straight to the point. But let me know if it's clear, if you could hear me well. Pretty straight, right? All right. Then let's go ahead and try to play some trades together. We're gonna find an actual pair that has something good. All right, this looks good. I think the zigzag is gonna it literally touch and retract it. If it keeps on jumping, then we can enter a position. All right, these are the only pairs that I'm actually looking at right now. I can even choose like the highest payout. It has to be something like this. So if the candlestick continues on your USD and it touches like the zigzag starts touching this, obviously with this stochastic on the exact same position where it is right now, then we can enter a 1 minute position put. Okay. You want to trade with me? Awesome. Can hear me? Can everybody can hear me? Can everybody hear me? Go ahead and smash the like. Yeah, the connection right now is awesome. Go ahead and smash the like button if you haven't. That'll help a lot. Like to make these streamings slightly viral. Um, and I think I can go ahead and like repost these streams as normal videos so that new people can actually see them. Because you guys are subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, then you're never gonna know when I'm streaming. Um, so I think I can do that, so that you guys can see, like new people can come in, and you can always like and share and leave a comment. It always helps with making it viral. All right, this one became risky because we don't even know what the hell the stochastic is doing, so I'm just gonna stay away from it. Even if it's touching, like literally it's touching right now. Oh, you know what? That kind of looks good. Well, YouTube has a delay of a few seconds, so you probably didn't enter. But what I don't like is that the stochastic is too thin. That's what I don't like. But let's see how it goes. On pocket option, how do you have so many windows with different pairs? What do you mean? Oh, you mean how to add them? Like right here? You click on the pair right here, and the ones that you want to be shown on this top of it, all you gotta do is let's just like star on it. A little star, you see? And now they show right here, the two of them that I actually clicked the star. Yeah, I don't like this trade. Anything can happen from now. Because, like I said, the stochastic is like crazy. And the previous two trades, if you notice, they were like really big, deep drops in the money. Right now, I don't think I'm going to win it. As a matter of fact, right now is a safer moment to enter. Obviously, because look at the stochastic. But I'm too late. The safest entry was above. Not the one that I had. So I lost it. I'll try it. All right. By the way, Christian, do you recommend trading OTC markets much or not? Not really. I mean, only if you're not able to trade with the real markets, you can go ahead and trade OTC. But if I were you, oh shoot. All right, the lag actually made me enter below. If I were you, I would just stick to real markets. It's safer. So I'm actually happy that this is happening right now because this is the downside of this specific strategy. Look, when it comes to the RSI strategy, the 50 RSI, like what's the point of retraction of the pair? And you could pretty much mark a support resistance that are in the area, especially because the time frame is 5 minutes, so it's easier to see. With the 1 minute strategy, you get to see the complete overbought and oversold condition, just like right here. But when it comes to zigzag, it's pretty much a blind spot where you don't know how far this trade is actually going to go. This is a terrible example though, because it's going too crazy, at least on this pair. But it does happen sometimes. Like literally this candlestick closed. It went all the way down, and then the next one actually jumped. So probably that was a loss as well. Okay. I hope that makes sense. Sometimes, I talk too much and people don't understand. Let me find another one. So this is more like a tricky strat. It does work, and it's super, super simple. Probably the easiest. Let's see. I don't like the momentum that it's actually having. Like, it's been touching too much. If it drops really strong, I think I can enter USD CAD, by the way. How to deal pairs usually behave in the how the real pairs usually behave in the afternoon. Usually they move really slow during the afternoon. There's no volume, you know. Right now there's a little bit of volume. Now, once you actually watch this complete streaming, you're gonna have a better idea as to what strategy is better for you. Like, we've used the 50 RSI, we've used the 1 minute strategy, and we've used the Kellner strategy. This is my fourth strategy, the ZigZag. And it goes in this order if you ask me. 50 RSI strategy, it's the most accurate one. Then a 1 minute strategy, the Kellner channel strategy, and then this one. This is like the least accurate strategy, and you're literally seeing it right now. That's the reason why I lowered my trading amount so I don't, lose up the money that I made in the morning. So in trading, when we learn and backtest any strategy we're comfortable with, we should only risk 1 to 3% of our capital. Also, thanks for the simplicity and explaining a good strategy. Yep. Thank you for the question. Yeah, 1 to 3% is something really safe. Chris, do you need to define the trend tendency before? Not really. That's the point. That's the point of this specific strategy. You could make a combination, with the Kellner channel, for instance. Oh, this is different. Why am I having this? All right, I have no idea. Yeah, it's 2010 too. So 2010 and 2. All right, there you go. So with this, you could make a combination, but you can see that it moves differently. That's pretty much it. It moves differently, especially because the Kellner is for higher time frames. It's for 3 minutes. But the other thing that you could do, but I mean, this is like making it more complicated. If you want to, I can explain, of course, is going and see what's a good support resistance. So literally right here, you can see that there was a resistance point. And this is the level that it reached and then retracted. If we go to 30 seconds, we would have seen that level, and probably the entry shouldn't have been for 1 minute. It's making it more complicated. It's no longer for beginners. Is that making sense? Let me see. Is the 1 minute strategy that we use in the group? Yeah, that's the one. To confirm position, do we wait for rain to touch the line, or we just look at support? I don't understand the question. What is STO? I don't know. Try a different browser in this case, because if you click on the start, it should add all of the pairs on it. So bottom line, this is what the strategy looks like. Like I said, this is a strategy that I don't use. Like, I make some update videos in regards to it, but if you ask me which is the best one, I always stick to the Kellner strategy. That's what I do. So matter of fact, I'm gonna trade right now on this one on Quad. Well, no, I'm sorry. I'm gonna trade on Quadex. Well, no, at 2 p.m. I have to trade with I'm gonna have to trade with OTC. All right, this looks good. USD JPY. I wanted to drop more, otherwise I'm not gonna go in. There you go. Um, just because I haven't traded in Quotex, I think I'm gonna trade here. You guys can. You guys are welcome to trade with me with a Kellner if you want to. We'll do. All right. RSI. All right. To confirm position, do we wait for the RSI to touch the line, or we just yeah, no? Talking about the what strategy, because if it's the zigzag, we don't use the RSI. I don't think markets are pretty safe today. It's been happening since the morning. We did have a pretty good session in the BLW binary master app, but in the Forex, I see some weird movements. There were some news in the morning, nothing too big, but I don't know. But you can see that this one right here, for instance, was not a big winner. This one was, but the previous one was it. This one probably was a very tight trade, which is not what we usually see. This one was a loss, probably. This one is a big win. This was a big win, but take a look at the breakout right here. So, I don't know. News kind of affecting everything. Did you guys smash the like button, people? Do you think trying this strategy on a 5-minute expiration tape time will do better? If you're gonna use a 5-minute expiration time, just go with the 50 RSI. It's safer, it's easier, or even if you want a longer time frame but you don't want to like too much like the 5 minutes, then you can go ahead and use the Kellner. I think this one I'm gonna be losing it because take a look at the cross. Like the jump should have happened so in this candle right here for the next. So I don't know. Take a look at the breakouts. Yeah, it's not safe trading today. Another breakout right here. Another breakout right here. So this is a low payout. Yeah, it's not safe right now to trade. Nonetheless. And I could look even for more pairs and stuff, but why would I risk it? Take a look at the breakouts. So it has been having continuous breakouts all the day. So yeah, too bad. Too bad because you guys know that I like to trade with you guys. But I guess we have to accept when something's not possible. And this time it's really not possible. You guys are looking at with your own eyes. But let's do some Q&A. Ask questions right now. Um, I'm blessed to be part of the BLW family. Thank you, man. Merry Christmas. Love from India. The volume and candles have been very wiki. Yeah, it's not worth it to trade. What indicators are you using? Kellner channel and stochastic oscillator at this point. We must go with the trend, not against it. In some strategies, yeah. Meaning low volume. Yeah, and continuous breakouts. You see this breakout right here? Take a look at this continuous breakout that we've been having. So it's not stable. Take a look. This one is a good pair to trade. You see? Respected here. Probably you have a few losses, but take a look at this win. This is a win, a win, a win, a win. There you go. So this is a good pair to trade. The rest, they're trash. This one looks very good as well to trade. Take a look, take a look, take a look, take a look. Everything respected. So when using the zigzag, we do away other indicators. Yep. Just use those two. But again, look, if you want to use the zigzag, you're more than welcome to do so. But you clearly looking with your own eyes that there are way better strategies. You know, the Kellner, you got the 1 minute, and even the 50 RSI. So, I mean, if you want to use the zigzag, you're more than welcome to do so. It's really up to you. You guys smash the like button, people. We're gonna have 5 more minutes of Q&A. Today's not a good day to trade. What can we do? By the way, tomorrow my streaming is gonna be at 2 p.m. 2 hours after the normal hour, because I'm going to show you live how we trade with the BLW binary master app. So if you're excited about it, I'll see you tomorrow 2 p.m. It means 1 hour and a half from now. Tomorrow I'm gonna stream live, show you exactly how we do with the BLW binary master app. So you're gonna have a sneak peek as to what is it that we do. Okay. What's the safest strategy that you recommend? 50 RSI strategy. That's the safest. Thank you for the new members joining in. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the support. You're more than welcome. Why don't you trade OTC? It's because I have the possibility to trade with real markets. But in the session for the 2 p.m. Session, I have to trade OTC because there's no real markets. What time tomorrow? 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. Oh, sorry. 1 hour and a half from now. The 1 minute strategy is nice too. I feel chill and confident placing trades with it. It's so simple too. That's true. Amsterdam, how you doing? So I've listened of a used MACD to know when can be a change on the direction trend. Is it real? The MACD works really good as well. I just don't want to mix it up with the strategies that I'm teaching you, because otherwise you're gonna get confused and you're not gonna get good results. Okay? People, that's gonna be it for today. I'm sorry we couldn't trade much, but you got to see the markets, and we never risk our money on markets like this. But I do appreciate that you guys were here. Remember that we still have tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna trade live with the 1 minute strategy, showing you exactly how we trade with the people inside of the BLW binary master app. So if you want to be part of it tomorrow, not 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, but 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay? So thank you very much for being here, people. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.